County, northeastern Arnold County, northern Washington County, until 9:30 a.m. At 9:01 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from I-70 to near Forest Lake, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Forest Lake around 9:05 a.m. Lindstrom and Center City around 9:10 a.m. North Branch around 9:15 a.m. Taylor's Falls around 9:20 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wyoming, Branch, Schaefer, and Wild River State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 130 and 147. U.S. Highway 8. In Minnesota between mile markers 0 and 5, and between mile markers 7 and 22. Due south. Highway 61 between mile markers 163 and 164. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through